Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about new scenario. So please try to watch all my previous videos like SQL Server development, performance tuning, and Power BI and DAX as well as SSI, so that you'll get more understanding on different technologies. Now we'll go to the Power BI desktop. There you can understand today's video demo. So for timing, already I have designed the report, so I'll try to explain what are the steps I have followed to design this report and all. So before getting the details of the report, let me explain what are the tables I have imported to design this report and all. Customer, dim geography, product, sales territory, dim date, category, subcategory, internet sales. So these are the tables I have imported from the Excel, and also we'll try to understand what kind of relationship we have established between the dimension tables and fact tables. So understanding the relationship, it's very important in Power BI. We'll try to explore that is also. So just click on model, collapse these two, scroll down a little bit. Now we can see that already I have enabled the relationship between the dimensions and fact. For example, if I place the mouse over here, you can see that based on this product key column from the dim product table and internet sales, I have enabled the relationship. Even you can understand what kind of direction it is. It's like one direction to many direction. It means that the filter propagation flowing from the dimension table to the fact table. So likewise, I have enabled the relationship. So going forward, I'll try to speak more on how to detect automatic relationship or how to create a manual relationship. So we'll try to explore all kind of possible options that are available in the Power BI desktop. For timing, we'll try to focus on today's report design only. Just click on report. So now we can see that we have, so these are the card visuals, this is the text box, and this is the slicer. So what it is representing, I'm just trying to find the last 4 quarter sales. So I'm not doing any kind of year selection. So by default, so whenever I open the report, I want to see the last 4 quarter sales. So how to do that? So here, if you look at here, so 2004 quarter 4, 2003 quarter 3, quarter 2 and 1. In 2004, I'm displaying the 4 quarter sales by default. Okay, so by default I'm displaying the 4 quarter sales in 2004. But if you notice here, so we can see that so there is no sales for the quarter 4, but we have sales for the quarter 3 and quarter 2 and quarter 1. So okay, so why there's no sales? Because in my data set I have the sales up to July month only. Okay, I have the sales up to the July month only. So that is the reason we are not able to display any result here. But I am taking this calculations and all based on the dim date. In my dim date table, I have dates up to the 2004 December 31st. So that is the reason we are able to display 2004 quarter 4, but there are no sales because we don't have sales up to December 31st. We have sales July 31st on. So that is the reason we are able to see the blank in the quarter 4. But in quarter 3 we have sales, and also in quarter 2 also we have sales, in quarter 1 also we have sales. So even you can slice the data based on the region name. If you want to find, you can find it also. For example, if I click on Australia, now you can see numbers are getting changed. It's working because based on the selection it's giving so dynamically the values. But here the problem is because so some customers they do not want to see the blanks and all. They want to see the based on the fact table, they want to show the 4 quarter sales. So that kind of logic we'll try to create a next video. So for timing, so I have created this report based on the dates which are available in the dim date table. Based on that, I'm trying to display so which quarter it is. So detail explanation, because if I did not mention these quarter 1 2 3 4 for the specific year, we don't know which quarter, which date it belongs to these sales. So that is the reason in separate card visual I am just displaying the 2004 and which quarter it is, 2004 quarter 3 2 1, like that. So I am displaying the so headers also. So that's all for today's video. In the next video, so I'll try to show different kind of examples. So it means that so I'll try to show the last 4 quarter sales, but based on the dates up to the current date. Okay, so it means that, for example, in my data, in my fact table, I have first quarter sales only in 2004 only up to March month. So in that case, I want to show the 4 quarters. It means that previous year 3 quarters plus current year 1 quarter. So like that, I'll try to so create a video for that. So we'll try to see that is. So that's all for today's video. If you have any questions or queries, you can send me an email or drop your comments in the comment section so that I'll try to reply as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.